Welcome to the Weingarten Center, Penn's home for academic support and disability services. As a comprehensive learning center, we offer a variety of programs and services as we accompany students on their academic journey at Penn. Learning specialists are a critical part of our academic support team, meeting students through one-on-one learning consultations and group workshops. Our specialists are here to help you figure out how you will manage your courses. In the process, we tend to cover topics like study strategies, time management, exam prep, taking and analysis, academic reading and writing, productivity, communication and engagement, as well as transition or integration into new and often unfamiliar academic settings. We hope that you'll connect with us earlier in the semester to create a proactive plan for achieving success. In weeks 1 and 2, you can talk to us about how you're feeling about your courses and approaching assessments. Otherwise, find time to meet with us when you can. Bringing back graded feedback to your appointments is a great way to adjust your habits and systems to improve performance. Lastly, feel free to reconnect with us before final exams and even after this semester so that you can think about next steps for your future courses and projects.